This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Ford Taurus SHOW. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, a sports suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: memory setting for the driver's seat's position so you can recall your favorite position with the touch of one button, dual power seats, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, steering wheel mounted gear shift, side curtain airbags, child seat safety anchors, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 44,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned certification includes a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.